Xylitol is a sugar-free sweetener that can be poisonous to dogs. It is found in a growing number of products, including but not limited to dental and oral hygiene products such as gum, mints, oral rinses, and toothpaste, prescription and over-the-counter medications, and certain foods including sweets such as puddings and gelatin snacks. Toxicity can be mild to life-threatening depending on the dose. Xylitol can cause low blood sugar, typically within 10 to 15 minutes after ingestion, acute liver necrosis, and liver failure. Symptoms of xylitol ingestion in your dog include weakness, lethargy, collapse, vomiting, tremors, seizures, jaundice, and coma. Xylitol is found in an increasing number of products. For a more comprehensive list of products that contain xylitol, please visit our website. Treatment for xylitol can vary. If your pet has ingested any amount of xylitol, contact your veterinarian or call Pet Poison Helpline's 24-hour number immediately.